This is Repulse Monkey, and when I start with fist punch under elbow. As I bring my feet together, you notice I turn slightly and lift my hand. And again, the hand lifts and turns. So rather than reaching back, I actually lift my hand and turn while the left hand stays there. You'll notice as I do this, my hands, both elbows are still in front of my hips. So I'm here. As I bring my feet together, I lift my hand. As I place my foot backward, I drop the opposite elbow. Begin to drop my front hand. Hand coming forward joins it, and forward. Again, same thing. Drop. So you can see this from the side. You see here, see how the hand drops, and both hands come together. That. Front hand drops, hand coming forward joins it, and then there are 2 more of these.